Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the online class. Today I am going to discuss about Water for Life, that means chapter 4 from your book. And here is Muhammad Abu Naeem. Before starting, I want to ask you something. Do you know where do we get water from? In which purpose do we use water? Why should we stop wasting water? Before knowing that, we have to go to book first, then we'll back here again. Dear students, open your book and go to page 22. Okay, dear students, now listen to me carefully and follow my pronunciation. Here, chapter 4, Water for Life. Our earth is covered with land and water. Almost 3/4 of earth's surface is water. Sources of water. We drink water. Plants and animals need water to survive. Water is very important for people. Now go to page 23. Water is found from many sources around us. We can get water from rain, canals, rivers, lakes, and the sea. We can get water from the tap and tube well as well. These are called sources of water. Sources of water can be classified into two groups: natural sources and man-made sources. Natural sources, sea, river, lake, and rain are called natural sources. Man-made sources of water, well, tube well, tap, and pond are man-made sources of water. Now go to page 24. Uses of water. Water is very important and essential for life. When we feel thirsty, we drink water. When we cook food, we also use water. People use water not only for drinking and cooking, but also for other purposes. Now go to page 25. People use water in many ways. People drink water and use it for cooking. They wash and clean with it. Water is also used for agriculture, such as growing crops and fish farming, and in industries. Saving of water. People use air, water, rock, soil, etc. There are natural sources. Water is a natural sources. There is a limit to natural sources on earth. We have to save water because fresh water is very limited. We can save water while we brush our teeth and wash our hands. That's all from book, dear students. Now we will go back to our discussion. From book we have just know that there are two types of sources of water. Number one, natural sources of water. Those sources which are made by nature. Those are natural sources of water. And the examples of natural sources of water are rain, river, canal, and sea. And another type of the sources of water is man-made sources of water. The man-made sources of water are those sources which are made by people. The examples of man-made sources of water are pond, tap, tube well, and well. Those are man-made sources of water. Now can you tell me some uses of water? Yes, we use water to drink, to cook, to irrigate in the paddy field, fish farming, and etc. Here is a question. If I ask you why should we save water? Here is the answer. You can write like this. Since it is in the video, you can watch it later. Now I am giving you some homework and I hope all of you are now able to do this. Here, name of some natural sources of water. Name of some man-made sources of water. And uses of water. I hope all of you now know the answers of these questions. That's all for today. Inshallah, see you in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.